Today's LeetCode challenge is about removing all the nodes of the linked list. The link of the problem is provided in the description below. As usual, I recommend go and try yourself. So let's come back to the task. In this LeetCode task, it's asked to remove all the nodes of the linked list, as I told, and it has nodes value equal the input value, and as a result it is asked to return the new head. There is next, which is none, and integer data type, which is 0. Also, we have provided the head of a linked list and integer value here. Let's see how this head looks like first. Here's the head including all elements. What about head next? The elements not including the first element at index 0. Okay, what about head next? Next, it is the elements not including the first and second elements. I hope it's clear what the head is. So let's start writing our algorithm. First, we initialize a pointer current to the head of the linked list. We need the current pointer to start traversing the linked list from the beginning. In a linked list, the head node is the starting point of the linked list. By initializing the current pointer to the head, the algorithm can iterate through the list, starting from the beginning, and examine each node in sequence. In other words, it ensures that it begins traversing the list from the beginning and processes each node in sequence until the end of the linked list reached. So in the next step, we iterate through the linked list as long as current and current next are not none. If it exists, then we check if the value of the next node is equal to the specified input value. Then, if the value of the next node is equal to the input value, it means the next node should be removed. It updates the next pointer of the current node to skip the next node, which means current next is current next. It removes the next node from the linked list. Else false. It means the value of the next node is not equal to the input value. So it moves the current pointer to the next node. Current next can be assigned to current. This process continues until the end of the linked list is reached by updating the next pointer of the current node to skip the next node when the value matches the specific value. The algorithm effectively removes nodes with the specified value from the linked list. Let's return the head of the linked list and see what we achieved so far. As we see, our amazing algorithm returned the expected result, but it's not the happy ending yet, because we must handle the case where the removal involves consecutive nodes at the beginning of the linked list, whose value are equal to the specified input value. It means the loop continues to iterate until it finds the first node whose value is not equal to this val, or until the end of the linked list is reached. If we don't handle these consecutive nodes at the beginning of the linked list that have values equal to the specified input this value, then it throws an error and LeetCode submission could be wrong. In short, the combination of this loop and subsequent logic we wrote below effectively removes nodes with the specified value from the linked list, whether they are at the beginning of the list or elsewhere. So, our algorithm worked. Hey world, we solved the problem. Congratulations.